wondering if Oronoco, Minnesota is the place you've been searching for? What potential challenges and primary advantages should you consider before you move to Oronoco? Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly Domaille with eXp Realty, and we're going to discuss all the pros and cons in this video. And if you stay to the end, I'll share something that will make your transition to Oronoco, Minnesota super smooth. So let's go. Oronoco's got a small town charm. Oronoco is truly a bedroom community just to the north of Rochester. And this cute city of 1,802 people is located on the middle fork of the Zumbro River. It has all the charm of a small town with cornfields and river hills all around. And here, where the sky is clear and there's no city lights in the way, it's a friendly town where you can enjoy a more quiet lifestyle than big city living. Families can choose from 3 school districts here, 2 of which are Pine Island and the Rochester Public Schools, which are just a short bus ride away. And even though Oronoco is in a quiet area, it's only 5 miles from Rochester, which is a much larger city with lots of cultural events, restaurants, and shops. Oronoco is still a community that draws both residents and companies wanting to be close to a larger city and its amenities, but still has a small town appeal. The job market is small for people living specifically in Oronoco, which is mostly made up of small businesses, farming, and local services. So the job opportunities, specifically here in town, might be limited, especially in specialized areas. However, a lot of people in the area commute a few miles to Rochester that offers more options, especially at big companies like the Mayo Clinic. The rise of telecommuting is another answer. It lets people in Oronoco enjoy the quiet while working from home for companies in other places. The town also encourages people to be entrepreneurs, giving them the freedom to start their businesses that meet the needs of the area. So even though the job market isn't as vibrant as it is in larger cities, Oronoco continues to draw people and families with its peaceful way of life and caring community spirit. Living in Oronoco has its challenges too, though, especially during the winter. Some years the cold weather can be quite tough, and it's part of the lifestyle here, and it can make everyday tasks a little bit trickier. Daytime temperatures often hover around 29 degrees, while at night it can dip down to about 15 degrees. And during the coldest snaps, you might actually see some temperatures plummet to about minus 11 degrees. But they don't happen often, and they certainly don't last very long. So if colder weather isn't your jam, then you may want to consider other parts of the country. Handling cold is manageable but requires some effort. So layer up with thermal clothing and heated jackets, do annual service checks on your heating systems, and having good snow tires for your vehicle should do the trick. But winter also brings its own fun. Activities like snowmobiling, snowshoeing, ice skating, and sledding offer great ways to enjoy the season and get outside. And Oronoco's natural beauty and variety of outdoor activities are big bonuses. With 69 trails covering 431 miles, there's plenty of scenic space for walking and biking, like the Wildwood Trail and the Empire Township Trail. Just a short drive away, Lake Zumbro Park offers stunning views and activities such as hiking, swimming, and boating. It's a haven for nature lovers, complete with fishing pier, picnic spots, and a boat launch. And closer to home, Oronoco City Park provides access to the serene Zumbro River, perfect for fishing, kayaking, canoeing, and simply just relaxing on the sandy beach. These natural areas not only enhance Oronoco's beauty, but it also offers residents and visitors ample opportunities to connect with the nature and enjoy outdoor activities year-round. And as promised, here's your community bonus tip. Oronoco is known for being very involved and friendly. Residents get to know each other better and celebrate things they have in common at events all year long, such as Gold Rush Days, National Night Out, and neighborhood parades. Residents take care of their environment along with the riverbanks, and they help local schools through food drives. And this strong sense of community not only makes life so much better, but it also adds to Oronoco's appeal as a place where people and families can feel supported and linked. So if you'd like to know more about Oronoco, Minnesota, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos, and follow me on all of my socials. And if you liked this video, then please make sure to hit that like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see my other videos too. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer every one of them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.